Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing layers and a proper brush. First, duplicate the base layer so you can compare results. This preserves the original. Once done, add a new transparent layer above the duplicate and name it for the effect you'll try. Make sure your brush has moderate opacity, typically between 30 and 80%, and pick a comfortable size for the area. This gets you into the actual blending process immediately without fiddling with unrelated settings. Next, choose the blending mode and test it on a small area. Tap the blending mode menu and preview options like Overlay, Multiply, Screen, and Soft Light to see how each affects contrast and color. You should paint short test strokes while toggling each mode and then adjust the layer opacity to fine-tune strength. Make sure to lock alpha if you only want to modify painted pixels. This step explains how and why modes alter light and color, so you can pick the correct one for your goal. Finally, refine the blended area and finish the piece. Use a soft eraser at low opacity to gently remove harsh edges, and use smudge or low opacity brushes to smooth transitions. Once you're satisfied, either clip the effect layer to the base or merge copies, and save incremental versions so you can revert if needed. If colors shift unexpectedly, sample base colors and paint with low opacity color dodge or multiply to correct balance. If something still looks off, undo, reduce opacity, and retry with a different mode.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.